Today, I'm happy to share a great Alaskan property with you. I call it the Stargazer Lounge. Whether it's your honeymoon, anniversary, or a weekend getaway with your sweetie, and you want to add a little ambiance to the experience, this is the perfect cabin. Everyone who stays at the Stargazer Lounge is amazed by the beauty, serenity, and the exceptional view of the nighttime sky and northern lights. We'll just head over and admire the amenities this cabin has to offer. The custom skylight is impressive, offering unfettered views of the nighttime sky. The bed has a fresh blanket on it, and the shadows on the back wall are nearly symmetrical and can also be used as a sundial. Just imagine yourself lying in bed and gazing at the nighttime sky. No light pollution, no smog, no neighbors. Picture walking out on this front porch first thing in the morning and taking in this view. Obviously, we really went out of our way to provide you with a unique, romantic experience that will please even the most fickle partner. See you soon!